You have to stare at the other person's face. And if you mess up, you have to put your hands up, and your hands stay up until all the poems have been done.
Once you mess up, shut up.
Huh?
No,
If you mess up, you shut up and put your hands up.
The paint is going to show you how.
No, trust me, it's gonna go. At the count of 3. Ready? 1.
Wait.
We're all waiting for your turn.
Your job is to try and make the other person mess up so that their hands stay up in the air.
She was so good.
All right?
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
No, I never heard that. When you mess up, you stop, you put your hands in the air.
And I had to mess up like
We all start at the same time?
Yeah, we're all gonna start at the same time.
I'm so confused.
Are we ready? Just spin a poem as loud as you can and don't mess up, because I'm gonna be walking by and if I hear you go, ooh, then I know you messed up. All right? You ready?
What about when I'm done? Just
When you're done, you put your hands up. Ready? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, spit! I can't hear Eyes open, eyes open, eyes open.
Why do we continue to praise them the same as now become a pulpit for him?
Eyes open.
And only if you were born that decided to grieve the ones who got on that stage of a battlefield, maybe. And when I decide to grieve those soldiers who warriors, they're not out for you to praise them, they only want you to respect them. So next time, when your feet are calloused from standing for your 3rd hour in line with the fully charged Kodak and a backstage pass dangling around your neck, try to imagine fighters dodging bullets for the sake of you, along with the rest of the world who'd rather be somewhere off in the distance but safe with the only desire to praise, for the stage has become a pulpit, and we will continue oblivious to see that the soldiers, the unacknowledged, don't need no acknowledgement. Soldiers are real celebrity.
All right.